Go.
Hi, I'm Ken for Puka Patch. I'm going to teach you how to repair a kiteboarding kite that has a hole in the bladder with a Puka Patch. So all you need obviously is your kite. I have my bladder pulled out. I have an inflatable pump, Puka Patch, soapy water, and a ballpoint pen. So, assistant, please inflate the bladder.
Pump?
Yep. Keep going.
More?
Yep, until it's nice and full. Now, once it's full, give it one more good pump. I'm going to start spraying soapy water on this.
That's one
Yeah,
more.
give me one more big pump. One more. Two more. I think we found it. Can we get a close-up here? Here it is. That's our hole right there. This can be caused by a rock or a stick that you hit or improper packing of the kite.
More pumping? Or
Yeah,
no?
give me a couple more pumps. We're going to check for any others that we've got on here. Is that a hole? That's a hole. Do I have more than one? Uh-oh.
More pumping? Yes. More pumping?
Yes, please. One more. You can listen for them and you can look for the...
Papa, what are you
So
doing?
there's one. So I'm going to take my ballpoint pen, if it'll write in the wet. One. Give me another pump because they're coming out pretty quick. Assistant.
Another pump, Louise.
One more pump. There we go. I got one marked. Okay, now I saw another one over here somewhere.
Oh my god, what is Mochi doing? Whoa.
There's another one. So we mark it. There's another one. Okay. Give me a couple more pumps so I get some pressure and just last check for any other holes. I think that's it. Okay, so with it pressurized like this, I'm going to open my patch. This is a pack of 5. Take one out. Give me a little more pressure, Louisa.
Okay.
And just go over it just like that. Doesn't matter if it's a little wet. Puka Patch sticks in water. Sticks to anything.
I hope Lucas is not eating my biscuit.
We'll edit that out. And then I had the one other
Let me
over
watch
here.
on him for a minute.
Give me one more pump and then you're free.
Louisa, one more
Okay.
pump. Hold on.
Okay.
So there's my
Let me
hole.
check on Lucas and see if he's eating my biscuit.
This is the same patch used for the... That's okay, Louisa. Shh.
This is for surfboard repair.
Louisa, we're filming.
We're going to need a soundtrack.
Whoa.
And how long do you need to let that dry for?
This is all ready. As long as you've got your air bubbles out, you're good to go. Puka Patch, kiteboard, kite holes repaired.
Done?